Hello, my name is Linda, also known as Tortajala around the internet, and I love creative journaling and all things stationery. Today I wanted to share a quick unboxing of the Traveler's Notebook Road Trip Edition. When this was first released, it was actually a special limited edition for a series of pop-ups that Travelers Company USA had planned, so people would have to go to the actual event to buy this in person. However, because there was such a high demand, they later decided to make this road trip edition sort of like the Travelers Company USA design, similar to how you like have to go to the Kyoto location to buy the Kyoto cover. This one is available in the USA shop. So I picked this up when I was visiting the US, and I'm only a bit sad that I wasn't able to get the stickers because originally there were a whole set of stickers with the original limited edition release. In the shop now, you can get the cover and the clip. You can find it all on the Travelers Company USA website to purchase, and even if it sells out, just know that it will be restocked in the USA shop. So this is actually my very first brown colored TN. I actually don't have any other TN that is the brown leather. You can see the road trip logo and lettering is embossed onto the front cover in copper colored foiling, and inside there's like a matching road trip insert refill with craft paper, showing like that caravan bus image in gold foil. So I'm really loving like this dark brown leather color. And the spine, you can see because it's folded, the leather is lighter there. I really like it. I just think it's like a really cool rustic look. I don't know why I was never drawn to like the brown colored leather, but now I feel like it's very, very cool, and I'm happy to add this to my TN collection. And then there's also the road trip clip, which I think is really special because Travelers Company has two different clip designs, like their lettering one and then the airplane one, but they've never made another one before until now for this limited road trip release. So I definitely had to pick it up. I grew up in California and we did do many, many road trips. So I really love the whole theme of this release and I knew that I had to get it. So I'm really happy to have gotten this brown TN, and I might change the ribbon color though because I'm not sure I really like the grayish color. But to begin with, I'm going to be using this to compile my summer travels insert and start using it immediately. Now, since I was ordering from the shop already, I picked up a few other items as well. Travelers Company also makes like craft spiral ring notebooks in the A5 slim size, and there's like different paper combinations and options possible. And this one specifically is the travel and sketch edition. So it has like this really pretty embossing on the front. Inside, there's thick paper for mixed media or watercolor, and there's also a couple of paper pocket pages at the end so you can like stick ephemera in or store things. So I suppose it could be sort of like a TN but without the leather. I've never used one of these spiral ring notebooks before, so I really wanted to try it out. And so I will take this opportunity to get back into sketching and creating more art. Finally, I also got one of these charms. I think it's called like the Yosegi charms. It's basically like the Japanese art of wood inlays, like where you can see there's that like checkerboard um, type of design, and I chose this like house version. They also have like just a regular round one. I don't think I will use it on this particular TN, but I've always wanted one of these charms, so I just went ahead and picked it up. It'll probably look good on another one of my TNs, so we'll see which one I end up using it on, maybe on my new Love and Trip one since I'm using this right now. Yeah, so that is my haul from Travelers Company USA. I'm really happy that I was able to pick up all of these items. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate you being here. Please hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe if you want to see more stationery videos. I'll definitely be sharing how I use this road trip TN and how I journal inside. I wish you a very lovely day. Until next time. Bye.